In this video, I'll show you how to find your Binance ID. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first thing you need to do in order to find your Binance ID is log into your account. If you don't have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in free trading rebates. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go to the top right hand corner and click on this icon right here. That's going to bring up this page that says pay. And you'll notice right here, you'll have your Binance ID. All you have to do is tap on these two squares to copy it. You can use this Binance ID to actually send and receive crypto with other Binance users. If you want to send crypto to another Binance user, all you have to do is tap on send. And you'll see an option right here for Binance ID. Tap on it. And all you have to do is paste the other person's Binance user ID in this section here and continue. And you can continue with the transaction. Also with this Pay ID, you can also claim a bunch of different rewards. And that's how to find your Binance user ID. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.